Test, test, test. Hello. Are we up? Alright, looks like we're up. Cool, cool, cool. I made a list of things to do last night. What do we got here? Let's see. Where's everything? Am I in Paris? In Paris. Goofy King says, Kilo Pro, what is up, Goofy King? How you doing today? Where am I going? Where the fuck is this? Is this? Oh man, I'm starting to forget what DC even looks like. Here we go. Kilo Pro Unity, what is up? What is up, my dude? Dudesif. So today we got make matchbook prefabs for each city's smoking place. You know what I would like to do before that though, actually, is figure out what in the hell is going on with this last setup I had. Goofy King says, I'm good, how about you? I'm not bad. Not bad today. Just trying to figure out how I want my March to go, you know? I'm excited for this month. I'm very excited for the month of March. So let's run this. What happened last night as I was working on this was, let's see, come on. Oh yeah, 7 frames per second, come on. All right, back up. Still not a great FPS right now, but this will get fixed. But what happened last night was the mailman works here, drops off both these packages. Check it out, here we go. Drops off that one, which is from America. Oh. Uh-oh. Huh. That's even worse than last night. So, or actually, maybe that's fine. Maybe that's fine. Or actually, no, it's not, because we need one from London. Let's see what happened. Mailman, variables. Well, actually, we want his mailman routine. And I need to see. Here we go, packages to deliver array. He has 1 package left in there. He didn't deliver both of his packages. So I don't know what was happening last night, but he would walk over to it, drop off the first package, begin walking away, and then before he got very far, like just a few steps after, he turns back around, comes back, and then drops off the second package. And I didn't know why it was behaving that way. I actually didn't even expect him to drop off both packages necessarily, because that hasn't been programmed. So I think I do need to hop in here. See, it's just like, get the next package, deliver, and it just stays right here as delivered, arrived. See, there's only 1 state. So what it has to do is it has to be able to drop off all the packages back to back. So after arrived happens, basically needs to check this one right here, check if array is empty. It needs to send back and go through that. And then if it is, then it's done, and then it can do its thing. So let's make that tiny tweak. That way all the packages get dropped off. So got our character, NPC, go to mailman routine, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right over here. So, mailman holding a package? Yeah. Is the array empty? No. Then get the next package from the array, remove it from the array, deliver the package, which means go there, right? You're going, and then as you're getting, you know what's kind of funny about this setup is that the mailman won't the mailman won't drop off packages. Robohemoth says, yeah, boy. What's up, Robohemoth? How you doing today? How's it going? Are your allergies going nuts too? Yeah, I'm a little sniffly right now. I mean, I've been sniffly for like the last few weeks. TBH. Let me just pat my little nosy down. All right. Yeah, how's it going? How you doing? I am setting up my mailman because right now, what I was about to say was that my mailman has a bunch of packages, right? If my mailman has a bunch of packages, they all need to get delivered to, or some need to get delivered to one place, some others need to get delivered to another place. What my mailman will do is he'll get them one by one in the order that he was given them, and then drop them off to where they need to go one by one. So if he was given a package that needs to be delivered to, the agency, and then one that needs to be delivered to the motel, and then another one that was needed to be delivered to the agency, then he will drop off the one at the agency, just the first one, and he'll hang on to that second one that he got, even though it needs to be delivered there as well. He'll go to the motel, deliver his package to the motel, and then go back to the agency to deliver that next package. Which I don't really mind. I don't think that's too big of a deal. I think right now the minimum, I like the idea of the MCP, the minimum crappy product, is to just make sure he delivers all his packages. So I'm gonna make that when he arrives, he puts the mail down where he needs to put it, and then instead of going to the despawn point, he will go to is mailman holding a package. I think that's what it is. Or check if array is empty. Allergy's been killing me. Yeah, it's been rough. Rusty Chicken, what's up? Rusty Chicken says, what's up, Chief? Yeah. What's up, Chief, buddy? The one I do like, my neighbor used to call me, was Boss. What's up, Boss? He also had an accent, I'm not sure from where, but be like, hey, what's going on, Boss? That guy was cool. Check if array is empty, so it's like you check, and if it's true, if it is empty, or no, has mail to deliver. If mail to deliver is true, then you get the next package from array. Okay, I think this is where we want it to send. So yeah, this is where we want it to send. And what I'll do is kind of, let's scooch these over. So these kind of get delineated as like, next step. I think that works all right. Is there a cool place I could put these without getting confusing? No, I think this is probably the best spot to put them. Okay. because if the array is empty, then it goes here to despawn point. Now let's try it. I could do it in Spanish and call you patron, patron. Or how about, I don't really know any other, I don't know any like Buddy Pell nicknames in other languages. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, here we go. Mailman's on his way. He's gonna drop that package off right here. And hopefully he drops off 2 packages. If he doesn't do that, then I'm concerned. Oh! What loop did he hit? Oops. The loop was between these. Not sure how that happened. Have you looked at my updated videos of the game? I added like 15 NPCs walking around town and talking and such to the town opening scene menu, the opening before the cutscene. No, I have not seen that yet. I have not taken a look. I'll pop over and check it out after the stream. That sounds dope. I love NPCs. I love just dropping NPCs in. I would be very surprised if I ever made a game that didn't have a bunch of NPCs. Okay, there they are. They're overlapping. So like it did it, right? Look, here we go. Zooming in. They're just overlapping. Okay, put it right there. But our boy right here, he was looping between check if array is empty, this one, and deliver package. There's no package to deliver, so if he's arrived to the place and drops it off, and it never got here somehow. Well, that's weird. Look at that. It says array is empty. Oh, did I put these backwards? Did I fuck that up? No, that's right. Because it's like the array, it's empty. So is empty is true. Oh, but that has mail to deliver. My language got sort of fucked up here. Yeah, let me know what you think about it, even though you're against cutscenes. You got Alex's videos done today. No videos today. What I worked on today is, well, I can't exactly say what I was working on today. That's the top secret stuff. The top secret stuff I was working on is sort of related to, it is related to videos in a way, but there's some other things that are going on at Hutong. Anxiously awaiting the top secret stuff. Oh yeah. No, I can't wait to start printing that out. There are sort of remnants of it, clues, little, you know, it's starting to become clear what we need to do and how to put it out there. So I think I fucked up my language here, because array is empty, gets the array, check if it's empty, and if it's empty, that thing is set to true, but that means that variable name that says has mail to deliver should not be called that. because if it has mail to deliver, if that's true, then that means that that array should be empty. I mean, that array should not be empty. So the bool test checks, do you have mail to deliver? Yeah, true. Then go on to the next thing, get the package, do your thing, whatever, loop through this or whatever. So I think I just need to swap these. Let's try that. I think that's the gist of it. Mailman routine. Check if array is empty. So the first one will be false. And the second one will be true. Okay. I think. We're about to find out. I think I know what 1 or 2 will be, but gonna wait for you to reveal, just in case I am right. You should do is you should send me an email with your guess as to what it is, and I won't open the email until that stuff is ready. Oh wait, whoa, what are you doing, boy? He's gonna go despawn and he hasn't even dropped off his package. Yeah, so email me, tell me what you think it is. Keep it in there. It has a little carbon dated, time capsule locked in, and you could say you called it. Let's see, NPC. Mailman. I know I'm fucking up my logic here somehow. Let's see. Is mailman holding a package? Compared to a game object. Oh, you know what? Game object compare. I should probably run it and see where it goes wrong, but let me just make sure I'm here. Dude, that's a good idea. Just Discord me the address and I will definitely do that. It is just press the contact button on my website. Or I could send it to you after this too. So array is empty. So if the array packages to deliver is empty, then has mail to deliver should be false. Oh wait. God, I hate this, right? Language? Come on. Who needs it? Array is empty. So that means this should be true when it's empty. And that means this would be false. Okay, so it basically can't be called that. Or else it's gonna confuse the shit out of me. Damn it, that's so annoying. I basically need to do like a bool flip. Array is empty, that's true. And then you do a bool flip. For has mail to deliver. Then that means has mail to deliver is false. Array is empty. That's false. There is something in there. Then you bool flip it to true. So it says it's true, he has mail to deliver. Okay, that makes sense now. Now the bool test is, I think I can change it back to how it was originally. Has mail to deliver. If it's, well, This is obvious. We should just change this back to true is true, else that is outrageous. If I had a statement set up, if it's true, then it's false, and if it's false, then it's true. Okay, so the true value will go has mail to deliver. Then get the next package from the array. Yes, that makes sense. And if it's false, then you go here. Okay, now that fucking makes sense. Let's see if this works. And if it gives me that loop, exceeded 1,000 loops thing, I'll just put a next frame event somewhere in that chain. Hopefully that'll fix it. Okay. Ah, he's not even... Wow, he skips that part entirely now. What is going on with that guy? Damn. Huh. Let's see. Mailman routine. He has two things in here. Okay, so it says that's false. Well, it didn't even do the bull flip. Oh, okay, no, right. So it would have been... Oh, it's so weird. Why is it like this? He has something to deliver. Fucking weird. What am I missing here? Mailman routine. Just because it was working before without this, I'm just gonna try changing that. Just getting rid of that bull flip. And this last package, I'm gonna get a next frame event. And just give it a next. Send it over here. Delete this transition. Okay. Now let's see what happens. I would like it very much if I didn't get hung up on something I solved a long time ago. Especially since it was working last night. Don't you walk to the right, motherfucker. Okay, good. He's gonna walk over there. But will he put both the boxes down? Are we placing bets? We putting money on this? Will he place the package? Who has money on he places the package? Who has money on he places both packages? Who has money he'll place no package? Okay. Placed both the packages. What's so fucked up is last night, it was so clean. He put it down. He kind of walks away, but then he comes back and he's like, wait a minute, I have this other package. And then he puts the other one right on top of it. Now this shit. Now he's just throwing them, and then he fucking starts moonwalking in front of us. Like, come on, bro. Go home. Let's see what he's stuck on. He's stuck at mailman routine. He's stuck looping through last package, or no? Is he on last package? Why is he on that? Why doesn't it just go to the next frame? Oh. No, it still doesn't make sense. Delivered package goes to arrived. So that makes sense. He hit arrived twice because he had two packages. Then he gets sent off up to here. Check if the array is empty. Array is empty, which is true. But then this thing, what? That is so weird. Oh, did I forget to put... package delivered. I think this variable has mail to deliver might be getting set from somewhere else. Also, it's checked here. So I think there needs to be another checker if array is empty thing. My brain is totally melting with this. Has mail to deliver is checked right now. Let's see if it's checked by default when the game's not running. Mailman routine. Has mail to deliver. It doesn't, right? It's used in 4 places. Wait for mail. Okay. Array is empty. And it's used in these 2, bool flip and bool test. Now, if we go to the source signal routines, and we'll just go to one of these signals. Excuse. Creating the package, give the package to mailman. Unleash the mailman. There we go. Boom. The setFSM bool has mail to deliver. Just one push-up, dude. Move on if iteration is going to drag on and come back to it with fresh eyes. This isn't iteration. This is a game breaker. Game does not function if this doesn't work. This needs to work. Mailman routine sets, okay. So if both of these are setting that value to true, that's fine, that's okay. But does it ever set it again for some reason? I don't think it does. I think it's the last time anything talks to the mailman. But what needs to happen is there needs to be a way that can get reset once the array is empty. So that's kind of what this is about. So if the array is empty, and that's true and it's true, I'm gonna try this again with this bool flip. Has mail to deliver is true. Okay. Wait, did you get a haircut? I did not. Does it look like I got a haircut? Let me see. Does it seem a little pushed down today? Maybe it's because it's kind of hot. Or not hot, but like warm. Maybe it's bringing my hair down. So, last package. If the array is empty. Yeah, I feel like that makes sense, where it's like if when you arrive and you drop off the package, then you should go back and check if the array is empty. What is that? Package to deliver is none. Oh, maybe it's this. Maybe arrived should go to the top. No, that should be fine. I should skip that. Okay. Gotta figure this one out. Should be simple enough. The thing that's like so weird is how it gets stuck here. Next frame event, next. It goes there, it goes to deliver package. Let's more thoroughly look at this FSM on this next run. I'm gonna look at it before he drops off the package and after he drops off the package. So, won't look at it just yet. Actually, let's see. Mailman? Is he waiting for mail to deliver? Is that what his current state is? Check if array is empty. Is empty. False, but then it's almost like that bool flip didn't work. Oh, you know what's happening? Wait for mail. Has mail to deliver. Get despawn point. Bool test. There's something weird happening here. Is the bool flip not working? I have to press pause even sooner. Okay, right when he loads up, let's see what he looks like. Okay, there he is. Paused. Mailman. Mailman routine. So he waits there, waiting for mail. Should we advance frame at a time? Let's see what these variables look like. Check if array is empty. The array is empty. That has mail to deliver is false. All these are set to false just because they haven't been activated yet, and that's what their default values are. Right there. Okay, so it changes in that moment. He gets told that he has mail to deliver. I wonder if the order of things that the signals goes in is what's fucking with that. Unleash the mailman. No, they give the package to the mailman first. If FSM array add. Adds a package to the mailman. And then once that's done, then you tell the mailman he has mail to deliver. Huh. Mailman routine. I feel like that bool flip isn't working. Is this bool flip not working? You know what could be an interesting way to test this is if I put a little state break. So wait for mail hours. Instead of going to next, I'm just gonna put it out to a dead state over here. That way, I'm gonna see if these two let's see how that works out. Or actually, no. Not even gonna do that. Let's just run that, see what happens. I wanna see if it thinks it has a package or not. Mailman, show me your routine. Okay, sitting there, nice and polite. I'm just gonna click these next frame events. So has mailed to deliver is false. Yeah, we'll just pause it. Okay. So has mailed to deliver is set to true, right? That's normal. Now I wanted to check these values. So has mailed to deliver is true. Right. Oh. Let's see what happens with an array empty. Array is empty. Like, what would that say? Just gonna copy that and put it in here. See what it says. Okay. Maybe maybe this array is taking a second to fill up. Maybe there needs to be a little wait period before it does something. Might need a bool gate. Array is empty. Every frame. So that doesn't make any fucking sense. Is empty is true right now. There's things in there. Sets every frame. I clicked every frame after we were playing it, so let's see if that makes a difference. If maybe the problem is in my understanding of the array is empty action. Let's see. NPC. Check every frame for this. So it's constantly going to be checking if that array is empty. I think I may have found the culprit. pausing it there. Array is empty. Says true right now. So the language in array is empty might be the problem. Array. Maybe you could do like an array length and then a int compare. Is this an int value? Yeah. I'm gonna try that instead. Instead of an array is empty action, I'll do an array length with, I'm gonna do one more test actually. Is array is empty a standard action, or did I get that from the ecosystem? Okay, I think that's our problem. Pretty sure that was it. So let's swap that out. Let's fix that. So instead of this, you're going down to here, but check if array is empty. Instead, we're gonna use array. Where's my array actions at? Array length. We're gonna be checking packages deliver array, putting the length in number of packages in array. And then you do an int compare. Comparing number of packages in array to 0, and if it's equal, then I think whenever it gets a despawn point, that's where it'll flip the has mail to deliver. It'll flip it to has no mail to deliver. It'll set it to false. And that way over here, we don't need to concern ourselves with this bool flip and bool test. So if you have mail to deliver, then you go true. If you don't, then go to false. So if you don't have mail to deliver, then you go to false. So this should be for false, and so should less than, just in case. And greater than is true. Get rid of this. And then here, we'll set bool value at the top. Has mail to deliver, false, goes through those. Okay. Let's see if that works. That'd be really cool if this does. Okay, my friend, phone's on 10%, 8:30 p.m. here, and I wake up. And wake up is at 5:30 a.m. And I have one more issue to fix on my game, so I can call it a night. Shoot me that email and let me know what I think of open on my game. Oh, on the game. Catch you later this weekend. Dope. Yeah. I will hit you up. Frank Reynolds. Rusty leaving the building. Frank entering the building. Goodbye and hello. How's it going, Frank? I'm doing all right today. I think I'm about to hit play and watch my problem vanish. If my problem does not vanish, and I'm gonna feel very incompetent. Just don't walk to the right, you motherfucker. Don't walk to the right. Okay, good start. It's a good start. I like that. I like where we're going. All right. We're placing bets. Back to the bets. Back to the betting table. We got 100 on he delivers one package. We have 200 on him delivering no packages. We have 150 on him walking away once he gets here. Ooh, beautiful. Mwah. There we go. It was that fucking array is empty action that kept fucking me. That used to fuck me a long time ago, too. I remember when I was setting this mailman up, the language behind it was one thing, but now that I get to see it in action and seeing how it just doesn't quite work, this fixed everything. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cool, so we got this package from London here. London airmail. Dope. And then take the pack out of here. Cool, got the golden feathers. So the problem I came here to address today, now that I have this in my inventory, is we're going to player warp, going to London. Okay, we're in London, glitchy ass London. Should have a source here at the golden feathers. There he is. Hello, sir. Need a light. Okay. There's our photo. And let me see, who do we got on it? Somebody in Paris. All right, looks like we're going to Paris, boys. So here's the thing. I have this first photo. I'm gonna put it in my inventory. It's a photo of a man in Paris. I'm gonna put it in my inventory. I got it, right? Then we go to Paris. And I'm gonna spawn item 0, because I need a gun for this. And let's see, where's he at? Oop, don't go to the airport. Don't go to the airport. Where's he at? There he is. Boom. Alright, I don't know who that is. That's just a civilian. Killed him. Going back to London. It's going alright. Was exploring some of my past someday I'll finish this but probably not projects while coping with the speakeasy apocalypse. Ended up inspired. Beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Yeah, I know all about those projects. Okay. Here we go. Alright, so he's telling me the thing. He's giving me the information. His shit is all set, right? The other guy's gonna tell us the information too. So let's just go player warp back to DC. This time, going to get the package from DC. Alright, taking these out. Got the Manupiri Lounge matches. Alright, taking these over to the Manupiri Lounge. And where's our boy at? Oh, there he is. Didn't see him almost. Alright. Gonna give him a light. Oh! Why did it get caught up here? You see it up there? You see it at the top of my screen? Right here? Why the fuck is it up there? And check that out. It's like, that's my inventory right now. I could scroll to it. And if I hit delete, I'll probably drop it. Or my drop button, basically. Yeah, I drop it. I can pick it up. So this is a different photo, right? Now this is somebody that looks like maybe they're in Moscow. And where did my other photo go? I don't have it. Look, now I'm just cycling. So that first photo became the second photo. And I think the problem is somewhere in the pooler actions that I'm using. So how are you gonna use that inspiration for the speakeasy apocalypse? Also, I'm not sure what you're referring to when you say the speakeasy apocalypse. I imagine that just means the sort of the overwhelmingness of the project, perhaps. Damn, but yeah, what is up? Why did this photo get changed? It uses Pooler, so let's pause it, and we'll go over there. Oops. Okay. Grabbing this guy. And DC signals. Okay, we began the meeting. Put sig in mouth, awaiting response. Oh, is that in the next one, actually? DC quests? Right, okay. See, and now he's waiting for me to kill that guy. He gave this photo to me, so he did a pooler spawn. Photographs, object spawner. Let's see, where's my pooler at? Pooler's right here. Blank photograph. I initially pool 3. It can grow up to 10. I don't know why it's... See, I got a couple of blank photographs right here. See, that's actually, there we go. Initially pulled objects 3. There are 2 right here and 1 in my hand. So the question is, why didn't it... Oh my god! I bet I know why. I bet I know why. Perhaps this is something you do not pool. I think what's happening is the way Pooler works is it just makes these game objects, right? It pre-instantiates objects, and then it deactivates them. And then when you use a Pooler, spawn action, all it does is it takes one of those that it created that is currently inactive and makes it active, and then it lets you use that one. So when I was holding that first photograph, it was in my inventory, but I didn't have it out and equipped. So that means it was just in my inventory, deactivated. So the next time Pooler called on a blank photograph from the pool of photographs it initially spawned, it goes, okay, well, just grab the first available deactivated game object. And that was the one that was in my inventory. There is a limitation of the Pooler actions. Let's see. What other Pooler actions are there? Is there a way that Pooler can address this? Disables the pooled object so that it can be spawned again when necessary. Destroys the current pool. Disables the stored... Pooler destroy stored. Disables the stored pooled object for later use. That's just that. Pooler spawn. Yeah, okay. I think I just need to instantiate photographs instead. I don't think that's that big of a deal. I hope not. I hope it's just not like... Yeah. I hope it's not that big of a deal. Let's do it. Let's just change that. So, first of all, in Pooler, we'll get rid of photographs. it's using blank photograph. And then in NPC, under DC signals, oh no, I'm sorry, DC quests, take photo, make visible, give photo to player. Here we go. So instead of pool or spawn, we're just gonna create an object. And it'll be blank photograph. Is this the prefab? Yep. Okay. And photo of target, we're gonna store the object as photo of target. I think that's it. I think that's all I need to change. Now, I believe I have a London quests. There's nothing really different about this. So what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna do this. I think I'm okay doing this. I'm gonna delete the London quests component. I'm gonna go over to London signals. Oh no, I'm sorry. Source signal routines. And then under UK quests, I'm gonna put the DC quests one. Yeah. I think that's okay. All right, let's run it and see what works. I'm gonna have to rename that so it's not just DC quests for everybody, it's just quests. All right, hitting play. Who's got money on, or just predictions? What do you think's gonna happen? You think it's just gonna work buttery smooth? No problemo? This mailman's just gonna go straight to the delivery spot, drop off both packages. Everything's gonna be correct, he's gonna walk away. I'm gonna go do the first mission, it's gonna go over great. I'm gonna come back, he's gonna give me the information. I'm gonna come back to DC, I'm gonna start that quest. The photos are gonna be right. I'm gonna be able to hold both photos in my hand. Just easy peasy. Or is it gonna freeze? Like right here. Okay, so far so good. Getting this, grabbing that, adding that to my inventory. And you know what? Just because I'm gonna come back here later, I'm just gonna grab that, grab these, also add them into my inventory. So now I have both of them. And I'm gonna go to player warp 0, or no, sorry, 1, going to London. Look it, you can see the source. He's walking in right now. That's how fast I am right now. You can see the source walking into the fucking bar. Did he sit down already? Oh, look, he's going to sit down right now. I'm blazing through this. Lighting his cigarette. Come on. Oh, something did fuck up. Look at that. Look at that. What happened? Countdown to photo. Array list proxy reference does not match. Ah, wait a minute. That doesn't make sense to me. Chosen city. Array list get random. Chosen city. Oh, array list. Array list proxy reference do not match. Why is that agent connection there? Array list get random. Oh no, is that a cursed action? Ah, that's a bad sign. That might be a not my problem. Fuck. Okay. So on the record, right? Oh, what was it saying? There's lots of variables to consider. Yeah. So many variables. This is the problem with trying to make a pseudo simulation. So on the record, we could see it here. It says array list get random from the agent connection game object. Like what? Why? Places. What this should be is chosen city, I think. So let's unpause this thing and see what happens when we look at the FSM. DC quests, pick city in place. Yep, look it's supposed to be chosen city, but for some reason it changes. That is fucked up. And that also means that it worked fine for the first guy. Oh, no, it didn't, because that was the first guy. That's fucked up. How does that even happen? It's kind of like it got corrupted, you know? So the way I've been solving this in the past has literally just been to do the lowest amount of effort first and slowly build your way up to the most amount of effort. So the bottom of the barrel thing last, right? First thing you do is just throw in the same action. So I'm going to throw in just another array list get random, which sucks because that thing's been sitting there for a long time and it hasn't given me any problems, but now it is. Specify game object, chosen city, getting a thing from places, and then we're gonna set this type to game object, and the random item will be chosen place. And I believe that's all, and we'll just delete this old one. All right. Should not be fucking up. All right. Bets, predictions. You know, I was just joking that last run when the mailman was walking up, I was like, or he'll freeze right here, right? He didn't freeze there. I was making a joke. And then that went to bite me in the ass. Life was like, oh, you want to make jokes about totally unexpected moments where your shit breaks? Like, I'll give that to you, bro. Because I did not expect that to break. It shouldn't have. It's so fucking scary. I absolutely hate bugs that are out of my control. This will be fine. He's going to put down both of them. All right. NBD, grab my matches, put to my inventory. Grab this box, other matches, add that to my inventory. Got both of them, cool. Let's go to London first. Go to London. Look, our boy's right over there. Ooh, can we make it inside the pub before he does? Come on. Get out of my fucking way. Oh, no. Okay, and then we're gonna do spawn item 0. Oh wait, I was gonna kill him. Fuck. No. Okay, lighting his cigarette. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no, this is very broken. This is like scary broken. Look at that. It deactivated all of London. I say that like it was a catastrophe. This is catastrophic. This is really fucked up because let's see. So we're on source signal routines. I wonder where in the world it decided to... That's so fucking weird. If you go to DC quests... No way. Look, it's starting to fuck with a lot of these things. Activate game object. Current city, London. Like, what? Why is it changing that? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna close Unity and restart this and bring it back. And then, and I really hope that it stops giving me that problem. I really hope it's just a, oops, my bad. Okay. Let's try this out. Ooh boy, that is scary. It was like, oh, you wanna activate the camera that takes the photos and then deactivate it when you're done using it? Cool. Well, instead, I'm gonna take all of one of your entire environment's game object and all of its children game objects, and I'm gonna activate that even though it's already activated so nothing happens. But then when we leave the state, I'm gonna deactivate it on exit like you wanted me to do with the photo, except instead of doing it with the photo, I'm doing it with all those other game objects. Ooh, that's scary. I bet, like, if it fixes right now, I bet you I didn't even have to replace that array list add action. I bet you at that point I should have just restarted Unity. It's almost like you shouldn't humor those things. It's almost like you shouldn't treat them like they're fixable, like in that moment. Like, you just need to, like, say, go home, you've had too much, come back tomorrow, and then see how it's feeling. Cool, looking good. Got that one. Got this one. Oops. Cool. Both of them are here. Nice. Layer warp. 1. Oops. All right, so I lit his cigarette, but he didn't give me anything. Let's see. Where's the player at? Should be over there. Yeah. This is one of those bugs that give me anxiety. Oh yeah, you're telling me. You're telling me. Those real mystery bugs. So I'm gonna grab them. And then find out where he's at in his quests. It says he gave me a photo, but he didn't. Oh. You know what? This is my bad. When I changed that pool thing, this is fine. This is now we are past. I hope so. Fingers crossed. I think we're past those bullshit bugs. But this is my problem because when I replaced the pooler spawn action has a spawn point thing in it, I believe, that I just didn't set for this one. So I need to set this spawn point. And I think we should be good. So let's see. Character. I think we're back on track. I think we're back into Normalville. Into the kind of bugs I do enjoy debugging. NPC health. DC quests. No. Yes. And then right here where it says give photo to player, the spawn point is going to be the object spawner. There you go. Set the material. Yep, and then it does all. Okay, great. I think that should be it. Back in it. But that other kind of shit, oh man, really spooks me. I always kind of feel a little safer, like knowing I got these like project backups where it wasn't being a complete mess. But yeah. Okay. I should be putting his spawn point closer to this thing, so and I could be scaling time to speed things up, but you know, I don't mind just waiting here for a second. Okay, so taking this, cool, taking it, taking this, cool, taking it, got both of them. Player warp me to London, and okay. Well, I'm finally gonna make it before him. Well, hello, sir. There it is. His leg hit it, he kicked it. All right, who do we got here? Where the fuck is this? Oh, this is DC. I've never seen this. I've never seen it taken here. Nice. I've seen it taken in DC, but that's so. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. Because I made the photo taking process like, you know, that's procedural too. So literally these guys can kind of just be anywhere doing anything. And this guy, I think he's in DC at the cafe, and I believe that is the motel behind him. So our boy's in DC, which is nice for us because we'll be able to stay in DC for that next one too. So we're gonna go to player warp 0. Look at, he's over here now. It's funny. Will London's power grid hold up? I hope so. Wait, what? What does that mean? Will London's power grid hold up? Yeah, you see, like, he was standing, like, right here somewhere. That's funny. Look, I'm gonna try to recreate it. Yeah, that's it. That's the spot. Inception right here. Okay, anyways, let's kill this guy. Spawn item 0. Okay, see you later. Boom. And then, you know what? Let's do this one at a time. We'll come back here. It's a bit of a player WAP. Player warp 1. It's a bit of a roundabout way. We don't really need to do this, but just because this is the way I've been testing it before, I'm gonna stick to it. Sort of just in case some other different type of bugs pop up. All right, close enough to him. Great. He tells us DC agency room 1, 5332. Room 1, 5332. So we're gonna go back to DC. And instead of going to room 1 and putting in the access code 5332, we're gonna go here to the Manu PD lounge with my Manu PD matches. And we're gonna find our boy over here, light his cigarette. There you go, sir. And we get the photo. Nice. Okay, so I'm holding this one, and I should be able to, yep. Now I have both photos. So that guy, I think that guy's in Morocco, maybe? Damn, this one's hard because there's no signifiers as to where he is. He might be in Moscow, I mean. All right, let's go to Moscow. Wherever he is, there's a man with a, see, there's an emergent property right there. I didn't have any environmental clues to go off of, but I had, he was standing next to a man in a suit with a pencil mustache. So we can now go to, I think, 5. I don't think he's here. Is he? It's funny because all these guys are overlapping, so like... Maybe he is. Maybe, is that the gray one? No, that's light skin. I'm just gonna shoot all these guys. Okay, so it's none of them. None of these people had to die. Okay, what about this guy? No. Damn, I'm just killing innocent people to find him. Is he here? Whoever he was, there was nothing but like, I guess he could have been in Paris or, let's see, 3. Okay. I don't think he's over. Oh, maybe he's over here. Is he one of these guys? Oh, scared all of them. All right, he's not. Oh! That's a different type of thing. I'm just gonna press forward. That's a different type of bug. I don't care. That's all right. It's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna deactivate this source. Oh, did I just kill a source? Is that why? Just gonna deactivate him. Damn, I'm having a hard time finding our boy. Maybe he's in Paris. I can always cheat and just check the FSM. Was he in DC? Was he just there this whole time? Or in London? Oh, look! There he is, and there's the, look, there's those guys. Here we go. Where's the sun at? There we go. He was standing in front of the dude with the suit, with the blue bow tie and the pencil mustache. So he was standing in front of that guy when this picture was taken. All right, there he is. Kill him. Going back to DC. I killed all those innocent people to finish this mission. You'll get a penalty for that in the game, and the penalty isn't necessarily in points, but also just in your ability to navigate the world. Okay, so now I come up to him, and he also tells me the information. Agency room 1, 5332. All right. So imagine that the first guy gave you the one piece of information, agency room 1, and then the second guy gave you the second piece of information, the password is 5332. You know, so that's kind of, this is getting closer to what the game's gonna play like. 5332. And there's the package. We beat the game. Where's the sunlight? I love looking at this thing. Monkey. Why you saved me? Why? Monkey. Monkey. Goofy King is indeed the Goofy King. Okay, so fucking things are working now. That's great. This shit is working. There's some weird things that you run into when you spook a source, but I'm not really concerned with that right now. So, make matchbook prefabs for each city's smoking place, make city signal FSM for each remaining cities with all their matchbook signals. Okay. Okay, I just have to do it. I need to do it. So, here we go. What am I gonna do here? Signals is what they need. So we have DC signals and we have London signals. So next we need Paris signals. So I'm gonna copy components. Paste component is new. Change this to Paris signals. And we're gonna edit it. Now, what is unique about Paris? Here we go. So in Paris, what do we have? Frank Reynolds says, it's really coming along. Isn't it? Thanks. It is fucking coming along. It's crazy. It's really crazy. And I have a much clearer road path. You know, I will say I have a very clear, actually that's not true. It needs to be clearer. I can't be too hard on myself, but I also can't just pat myself on the back for everything. I have a much clearer roadmap to what each step of the way to getting to like my final product is. It's becoming a lot clearer. So I need to check what London, MTC activities, London examples, source info, source signals. Here we go. So in Paris, oh, that's right. I'm just doing the matchbook ones. So in Paris, there's a cafe, and you sit outside of the cafe and you smoke. So this pub should be cafe. Oops. And I'll name this cafe. This, change to cafe. And I could change some of these details later, but I think pretty much most of this stays the same except for that part. You have to change the matchbook. So that means that we need to make a matchbook for the Paris Cafe. But otherwise, yep, and I changed the name of whatever the game object is of the place, so it'll be the cafe. And I think that's it. Yep. Yep. That's it. So, let's see. Let's go to Paris. Level, grocery store. Where's the cafe at? Do you among us? Do you among us? Among us? Do you play Among Us? No, I don't really play Among Us. I've played it for like maybe 20 minutes once. I wasn't crazy about it, but I know I would have had an amazing time playing if I played it earlier on in quarantine. Yeah, because you are so sus. That's pretty good. Frank Reynolds says, have a good night. I have some work to do. Thank you, Frank. Thank you. You too. Have a great night. Get to that work. Get it done. Take that inspiration and take it into your speakeasy. Grind it up. Sprinkle it over the glass. Take some of it and liquefy it. Pour it into the glass. Maybe toss a splash of lemon. And then just snort it instead of drinking it. Have a good night. This is strange though. I don't know where my cafe is. One Parisian apartment, exterior street, mission side, lobbies, lobby walls, apartment, clean me up, agency streets. It's probably mixed in with all this other bullshit. Okay, so I'm gonna find this first, and then I'll. Where is it? Right here. I'll just select this. There it is, Paris Cafe. Just one big prefab, huh? All right. Is that seriously? That's so funny. Okay. That makes sense. That's fine. Kind of makes sense. Not really, but it's fine. Level. I'm gonna put it right at the top. Clean that up. But yeah, Among Us. That was one I missed out on. I have it, and I might give it another go in the future because it looks like a whole lot of fun. I don't know why. I wasn't in the mood the one time I played it. It looks really fun though. Okay. This Paris Cafe should not be a prefab. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. Unpack prefab completely. All right, there's nothing in there. This is all of it, right? I guess, yeah, okay. It's an empty game object. Paris Cafe. What are we gonna call our Paris Cafe? Paris Cafe. Images. And it looks like we'll be firing up Photoshop. Okay. 1960s. Oh, you know what I would love to do? The Samurai. love to just kind of... I would love to give a nod to this movie. There's a bar that's here. Let's look at the Wikipedia article for some names. Club's piano player. Is there a name for the club? Le Samurai club name. Is that what it was? What is that? It's a karate school? Oh boy. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get the name of that club in here, huh? It probably doesn't even have a club. Le Samurai. Could call it like Cafe Melville. No, because he'd fucking take his name from Melville. And then it's like, I can't call my cafe Jean-Pierre. Alain Delon. This is a huge influence on this game. This is my, like, when I think of like what I want Memories of a Spy to feel like, this is not a spy movie, but this is very much what I want it to feel like. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like that's gonna go very far. So what can we call our little cafe? What's very, let's see. Cafe de Flo. Or I could call it like, no. I can't call it like Cafe de Samurai because then it's like it's not even in world cool. Any Parisians in the chat with some ideas for a cool name for a cafe in Paris? What does that mean? I do not know how to say anything in French. Du café. French to English translation. The cafe house. How do you say this?
La maison du CFE.
Hang on.
La maison du CFE. La maison du CFE.
That's how they say cafe? What?
La maison du CFE.
Get the fuck out of here. That's how you say cafe? That can't be how you say cafe.
CFE.
What? That's how... Wait. How about now?
Café.
Missing the little accent.
La maison de café.
Okay, I buy that. Fine. La maison de café.
La maison de café.
La maison de café. All right. Back to the music. La maison de café. La maison de café. All right. I guess it does help to kind of know a little bit of French to come up with a cool name, right? the coffee house, or what about what would be kind of a cool I feel like something like coffee of the morning. Let me see. How do you say this? Coffee of the morning. Café du matin? Is that how you say it? I'm putting my little Spanish accent on there, huh? Here we go.
Café du matin.
Matin. That's how you pronounce I-N?
Café du matin.
Matin.
Café du matin.
Café of the morning? Okay. Café du matin. Or like, what's a good one? Like, cafe. Let me see. Samurai. Get some. Let's see. Here we go, right here. Spoiler alert, by the way. Oh, we could maybe name it after Valerie, right? Which is kind of, it's kind of funny. Valerie's black, and then it's like coffee, you know? Like, that's a thing. That's a thing. I'm talking about skin color. I'm not trying to beat around the bush here. Cafe, coffee of, like, I don't want to just call it Valerie's coffee. Or what about, how about this? This is kind of funny. Coffee like Valerie. Oops. Coffee like coffee. What's her name? Or is it? Coffee. Coffee.
Café comme Valérie.
Café comme Valerie. Or how about like as? Café en tant que Valerie.
Coffee en tant que Valérie.
I gotta hear this. I gotta hear this.
Coffee en tant que Valérie.
It's too much. Not coffee. Coffee is Valerie. What about just Valerie coffee? Nah, it's Café Valerie.
Café Valérie.
All right. Just gotta come up with one. Let's see. Coffee. What do I like? If we're talking about memories of a spy, it can kind of be like. I do want to like hide things. I don't want to just flat out say like. What about like coffee to remember? I like that. Café al... How do you say this?
Café à retenir.
Café al...
Café à retenir.
Café...
Café à retenir.
Retenir? Let's hear it one time clean.
Café à retenir.
That's a hard one. Retenir. Retenir.
Café à retenir.
Retenir. Café à retenir.
Café à retenir.
Coffee to remember. What about Remember this coffee. That's too much. That's a mouthful.
Souviens-toi de ce café.
No. Or how about just remember coffee?
Rappelle-toi café.
Coffee to forget. It's kind of funny.
Café à oublier.
I kind of that's kind of a good
Café à
one.
oublier.
I like that one. I like that one. I'm gonna put this back on. Put it low. Just so I can keep playing this.
Café à oublier.
Yeah. That's a good contender right there. Café à oublier.
Café à oublier.
French is quite a mouthful. Coffee to forget. Coffee to remember. Coffee never forgets. Le café
Le café n'oublie jamais.
Le café n'oublie jamais.
Le café n'oublie jamais.
I want something that somebody who never speaks French can have an okay time saying.
Le café n'oublie jamais.
Coffee never forgets. Coffee remembers. Oh, here we go.
Le café se souvient.
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 I like that one. That has a cooler sounding name in French, but the translation I don't think is as good as coffee to forget. Or what about coffee forgets? Is that the same one that coffee to forget? Le café oublie? Oh. A oublié. Le café oublie. Coffee forgets. Okay, that's the winner right there. That's the winner. That's good. I like this. How do you say it?
Le café oublie.
Oublie. Le café oublie. There.
Le café oublie.
Beautiful. Okay, that's our name. Coffee forgets. I'm gonna. Yeah. Okay. What did we save it in? London textures. So I'm gonna copy this into a new document. Okay. I'm gonna save this in textures. Paris. And saving it as Paris textures. Cool. And now the next mission is to find French, or how do you, let's see. Let's say matchbook. maybe... Here we go. Like this. Like that. Mmm. What about, do they even, is that a thing? I don't even know if that's a thing. Matchbook. Kinda, huh? It might honestly just be a cultural difference to have. Like maybe a... Allumette? Is that how you say it? That's like matches? Here we go. Some more of that. Maybe even these. All right, which one looks better? What is this? This is for a restaurant. This one's kind of all out, huh? That one's kind of plain. These are also pretty plain. None of that is what I want. This is okay. Okay, all right. Fine. Closing it out. It's tough. I don't really know what that would look like. Did Cafe de Flor have matches? Matchbook. Alright, Steven. You better start fucking designing something. That's rad. This is rad right here. I'm gonna save this. Reference images. Is this what it looks like inside? That's so dope. Interior crocodile alligator. Is that what it is? Alright, let's do it. Let's just fucking start laying it down. Here we go. Let's delete this shit. Golden feathers. Gonna keep that. Delete this, and delete that. And I don't know the spelling of it, so I have to copy and paste. Right here. Copy. Put it down right here, paste it in, drop it underneath, and let's make these capital, and that, okay. Let's just go through some fonts that might look nice. Some of these already look great, right? Belgrano. But the color scheme will be something more like, I do kind of like that, this sort of could be we could do more with this red and white combo. It can have some green. The building itself, I think, yeah. It's red, white, and green. So I think we should stick to this color scheme. Red, white, and green. And it's sort of that deep green. You know, it might be a good way to take that would be to go like this. Pop into Photoshop, paste it in. Now we have that as a reference for these colors. Keep it out of the way though. So, le café oublié. The coffee for goods will be looking more at these. Where'd it go? Or actually, oh shit, you see that? Maybe it could just be based on some of these, like the actual typeface of the building itself. Kind of has, we could do some of that handwriting one. I think the handwriting one is probably my favorite. We'll do a combo of the handwriting one and then, yeah. Okay. So we'll take these and let's see, where are... Come on. Come on. There you go. That's pretty good. These two. I like that one. There we go. Scale it up. Alright. I'm not set yet, but... Come on, fuck off. Alright, dupe them up, dupe them up, dupe them up. Try some other ones. Add Dean. That's okay. Kind of like that. What about... What's up, chat? How y'all doing? Something like that, too. Very few handwritten ones in here. What about this one? That's actually pretty chill. That's pretty good. That's gonna be a hard one to beat. Let's see what else we got. I don't have an E? Oh, cause that's funny. Oh, that's French. Hello, beauty. Nah. Hi, Monday? Nope. Nope. Switzerland? No. Alright. I think that's it. I think that means that we have to choose between these two. I don't know, that's a... What do y'all think? Top or bottom? First one or second one? When I see this one, I kind of want to... Let's see. They both have... That's bold. And then that's without. I wonder what this one looks like without the bold. Very similar. I would say that this one looks better with it as well. And bring these in closer, like that. I think the top one is a little too obvious, so I'm gonna scrap that one. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'll keep it there in case I want to write anything else in that font, but I think this one is the best. Okay, so we're on that. Let's take this color. I think let's try the background as this first. And take this and make it this red. Right? Like that kind of works. But I can imagine the reverse working as well. So take this and make it this color, and then this, we're gonna make it this red. Oof, but that hurts the eyes. That hurts the eyes. The other way's better. Okay. There's also making it white. And then doing something with red. Like maybe doing this. Like that. Oh, Johann Liebert says agreed. Agreed on the eyes hurting. Cause that shit was immediately just like, ooh, terrible. How's it going? How you doing today? I think I could make this a little bit bigger. Is that too big? Right there is good. So that's the front. And then delete all this. Back of matchbook. Oh, you know what? I can get rid of all that. There we go. So this one. Delete that. What should they have on it? Macalina, woo! Weekday stream. Just got home from work. Nice! Nice! What's up? Hell yeah. Got that weekday stream. Finally getting back to the weekday streams. I think, you know, March is looking pretty good. March is looking alright. I already have that voice in the back of my head that's going, now that you said that, it's all gonna fall apart and your apartment's gonna burn down and you're gonna lose everybody you love. I don't really have a voice that says that, but there is that part of me that gets worried. Like, don't curse it, dude. Don't acknowledge that your life is going all right now. What did I want to do for this? Oh, right. Let's get some daydream clip art. Looks good, man. I'm just enjoying learning a bit of Unity and Photoshop. Nice. Yeah, this game dev stream ends up becoming a graphic design stream at times, doesn't it? Mechalina says, updating the website landing page for my game tonight is the big goal. Fucking A. That sounds rad. That sounds nice. That's one of those like fun, like sort of like necessary, not necessarily dev missions that you have to do. Like, I loved getting my itch.io page all kind of touched up and everything. I love that kind of stuff. That sounds fun. So, I was kind of thinking, like, I'm kind of doing daydream clip art, but, like, what happens if you just search, like, forget clip art? Like, I don't know what the visual representation of that is. Question mark? An elephant? You know what? It's a cafe, so maybe I just need coffee clip art. What is it? Isn't it like espresso? Is that what? Or is it a latte? I used to have this document that told me what each of the cities in my game, in reality, what the preference is for their caffeine. I think it's like, what is it, like coffee in France. See, because they're all this. What is this again? Is that the if you ask for a coffee in France, they don't give you a black coffee. They give you this. Yeah, espresso. Yeah, I got it right. Cool. So espresso without milk. I think espresso without milk as clip art. Clip art. Like, how do you illustrate like a little cup? And you know, here's the thing actually, is that designs for things didn't necessarily see, like there's just like some flowers on this, like it just looks pretty. So it could also be that we just throw on like let's put some flowers on this, like why not? What is it? It's like horse, chestnut, tree, clip art. That's not too pretty to put on there. What about flowers, clip art? See, something like this could go on there, but make it gonna delete this, and we'll put this on here again. And then oh, you know what's really funny? What I think is fucking hysterical actually is, what about matchstick? That's funny. That is so good. Because I get this, how do you say it?
Allumette.
Allumette. Kind of has, you know, some like illumination. Is that how? No, sorry. Illumination. Sorry, I got twisted because of that. Illumination. That's funny. You know, there's something to do with like forgetting and memory and stuff like that in there. So I'm gonna put them on there. Allumette. 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 Okay. And I'm gonna use this fucking thing finally. Here we go. Let's just use it. What does the front look like? That's the back, and that's the front. I think there could be one more thing on the front. What, folks in the chat, what do you think is a good icon image that illustrates in some way or might remind someone of memory, forgetfulness, that kind of stuff? Because I don't really want to put like a head on here. Forget clip art. Forget about it. Book, light bulb, brain, shriveled brain. Book. Brain. Yeah, maybe I have to just be a little bit less. Let's see. Flower, what do you call this? Like decoration, clip art? Yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna kind of throw some of these around it. Bada bing, bada boom. Get that one, that one. Maybe even just these. Oh, here we go. If I search floral frame clip art. Whatever, let's just use these. Okay. Didn't really think that through. What about this one? This one's gonna be hard to grab, huh? Yeah, fuck. Let's see. Can he do it? Can he do it? Ooh, he might be able to do it. Ooh, he might be able to do that shit. Ooh, he's doing that shit. He is doing it. There we go. Cloud. Yeah, I was thinking that was one of the first ones that I was thinking of too. Clouds. I think I'm just gonna go with this kind of like non. You know, just put some of these in here. Something like this. Like that looks pretty fucking cool. that turned out well. Let's see, oops. Yeah, I kind of like that. It's funny, I actually liked it when it was up like that more. And then maybe, does this translate directly if you go like Paris, France? Yeah, it's the same thing. The original. The one and only. Let's do that. Oh, I got rid of that other font, huh? Did I? No, I didn't. Right here. Yeah. Nice. That's fucking cool. I like that. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. I might take this and make it white. Oh no. Why do I, when I invert it? Oh, because it's set to multiply. What if I change this to screen when I invert it? Yes! There we go. Oh! I don't know why, that makes me so happy. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. It's gonna look even cooler now. Putting it up here, inverting it, changing it to screen. There we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I used to watch this YouTube channel that I didn't understand a single word of, and he never translated his videos. I think his name was Jet Daisuke. He's this Japanese dude who kind of did like tech stuff and other kind of weird things. But I remember there's this one episode where he's using his new camera to like photograph this woman, and every time he takes a picture, it makes the little, you know, fake digital sound. And every time that happens, he says gorgeous. It goes gorgeous, and it's like back to back and just gorgeous. Okay. So, got these, looking good. And then got that, looking good. I'm gonna call this, let me see. Okay. Back of matchbook, Paris. And this is front of matchbook underscore Paris. And I'm just gonna call this matches Le Café Oubli. Le Café Oubli. Oubli? Gotta hear this one more time just so I can say this right.
Le café oubli.
Oubli. Really just a oubli. Le Café Oubli. It almost like they say le.
Le café oubli.
Le Café Oubli. Okay. Le Café Oubli. Alright. Let's export these shits. Put them into materials, and then make the materials onto a new prefab of the matchbook. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Export this one first. You know what I didn't do? Hold on. Last touch is this isn't futzed enough. This needs to get jacked up a little bit. Filter. Rasterize. Eraser. Brush. Give me this boy or this boy. Shape dynamics. Size jitter, angle jitter. Scattering. Count. I guess we'll leave it at that. All right, let's see how this works out. Okay. Something like that can be okay, I guess. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, I think that's more my jam. And that other text is small enough where I'm not gonna trip about it. Where is, oh, here it is. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it. There we go. I feel like I should futz this a little bit. There we go. Oh wait, duplicate it first. Turn that off, and we'll fuck it up, fuck it up. Okay. That's good. All right, and then duplicate that one more time. Turn its opacity down. And blur it. God, nobody's ever gonna be scrutinizing it that close, but Jesus Christ. In fact, you know what? I know it's like, why even do those if, whatever. I'm just moving on. It's like, oh, I need to do, but what about the subtext? No, you already wasted time, Steven. Let's move. Let's get it on with. Paris. We're gonna call this front of matchbook underscore Paris, and it's gonna be a PNG. And then I'm gonna do PNG back of matchbook. It's for your future art book of Memories of a Spy. Exactly, exactly. Frank Reynolds says, look legit. What is up? Frank Reynolds back in the game. Back of matchbook. That would be so dope. A Memories of a Spy art book. Oh, I think some of you already know how crazy I am for art books. All right, these are good to go. let's make sure that I got the right ones. Spy game, textures, there we go. Okay. There we go. Le café oubli. Alright. Go into Unity. And then in DC, we got this matchbook. I'm gonna duplicate it. And then in items, create a new folder. 03_ Paris. Gonna take these, slam dunk them in Paris. Call this the Le Café Oubli matchbook. And then inside of that, I choose it. And in here, I think I make a new folder, materials. I'll drag and drop everything in there after, so I could just do this. Pop them in. Okay, and then I'm gonna copy these. Duplicate. Throw it in Paris. Paris. Just drag and drop that in there. And then I should be able to just, well, let's hang on to our horses. Front of matchbook, Paris. Duplicate that one. Back. And then drop that in there. Now, I do back on here and front on here. Yes. Oh, shit. I always forget how sensitive this is. There we go. Ah, yeah. Turn off gizmos. Yep. I feel like that border could have been a little thicker, but that's cool. Oh, I love making this shit. The little allumettes. Alright, so now in the let's see, NPC, in the Paris signals, create package, instead of the Golden Fetters matchbook, they're gonna get that Le Café Oubli matchbook. Woo! All that work for that one little moment. Wow, so nice. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. It does look cool. Oh, you know what'd be fucking rad? You know what the coolest thing in the world would be? Would be to get prints, actual matchbooks of all of them. That's so, like, that's probably very easy to do. It's probably easy and I imagine even inexpensive. That would be so fucking awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god, that would be so cool. I'm gonna want to do that. I'm gonna want to order a bunch of matchbooks with these designs on them. Oh. Okay, so after you do that, it takes the city, but the mail stamp needs to get changed. Where did we put those mail stamps? Like, where's this one at? It's an items delivery package. Okay, so I could put mail stamp France. All right, so it stamps it, says it's from France. Unleash the mailman. Okay. All right, let's run it. Oh, wait. Hold on. Not so fast there, Steven. Motherfucker. You're just rushing through your shit. Why don't you fucking hang on a second, bro? Cafe lamps is not seats. So I need to add a array list proxy, calling it seats. And then I got all these chairs right here. Ooh, shit. Woohoo! Finally get to duplicate all these chairs. That chair's been sitting there for a long time. Actually, hasn't been sitting there for too long, but it has been modeled and not in use for a long time. I want a matchbook. Rewards for backers. Ooh! Ooh! If this gets far along enough to the point where it is kind of like... yes, if that. Or maybe. Yeah, right? I sound like I'm losing my mind right now. It's like, what are you talking about? Yes, maybe, no. I don't know. Can you repeat the question? I don't know if I should... I'm not going to give the chairs physics. They're just going to be fucking chairs. Let's go to Paris. Because I put all those things in DC, right? Or I put them in level. So DC has that. London has Golden Feathers chair. Environment, create, folder, Paris. And then here, I'll select this, cafe chair, drop it in. And then in it, you create empty, call it sit here, and then copy and paste the thing from there. Híjole, that would be good. To do this instead. Delete. Unpack this. Delete the prefab. Yes. Cafe chair. Group selected. Rename it. Cafe Oubli chair. Now prefab it. I am stoked to the fucking tits for a... Oh! Nice. I'm really stoked to talk to Alex tomorrow. Super stoked to talk to Alex. Okay, Cafe Oubli chair. Now I can copy and paste this. Sit here, this FSM. Copy component. Go to Paris, Cafe Oubli chair, sit here. Paste component as new. Edit, except this time we want the Cafe Oubli. And then store it as the same thing. Cool. Now I think that should be... Let me just check if any of these are tagged as like... No. Okay. Cafe Oubli chair. Sit here. And let's actually line it. You know what? 0, 0, 0. And rotation 0. Sit here, 0, 0, 0. F. And what sucks is when I was modeling this, I was stupidly doing everything at a weird angle, and now I have to suffer those consequences. So I kind of have to do like right there. Is that good? That's pretty good. That's fine. I think that's probably how they'll sit. Okay, let's see. Only one way to find out. And gonna duplicate these. Oops. I'm not even gonna do this totally right now. I'm just gonna put them around. Good enough? All right. Run it. Time to hit play. Is he forgetting anything? Let's see. The art book should be in the shape of a book of matches. That would be awesome as fuck. Yeah. Yeah. That would be good. Oh, God. That would be good. Oh, man. It's dangerous for me to start thinking about shit like that. Hey, now. You're an all-star. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So if this works right, we should be getting 3 packages today. Man. Oh, now I'm thinking about art book shit. All right. 2 packages, you cheap shit. Where's my package from Paris? Why? Why? Mailman. Mailman routine, variables. No, that still doesn't make sense. He doesn't have any, and he only delivered 2. So that must mean that our source in Paris is not... What's up with our source in Paris? Environment. Paris. Paris agents. Paris moles, mole hunters, sources. Oh, no. Here we go. Source. Source. Signal routines. Oh, I'm so dumb. We just never put the rest of the FSMs in there. Dummy, you dumb, worthless. It sucks. A lot of people really do talk to themselves that way. Sometimes I talk to myself that way. I think a good way to combat negative self-talk is to throw gas into the fire. That's not professional advice at all. Could be even unhealthy advice, but I think when you start really trash talking yourself, to me at least, it starts sounding funny, and you kind of start realizing like, this is ridiculous, how unfair I'm treating myself, and then you end up laughing. Joanne Lever. Yeah, it's pretty funny, huh? Shit happens, man. Yeah, oh yeah. I am not tripping. Here we go. Paris. I'm gonna do a scale time on that next round because we can't be waiting around for that mailman all day. If we have godlike powers to speed up time, it'd be a shame to not use them. True goes to true, false goes to false. So put one right here. I'm gonna put one right here. Call it Paris signals and Paris quests. They both have start FSMs in them, but this one gets this FSM, and the other one is just gonna get a copy pasta because everybody does DC quests right now. Right, okay. Now that should be okay. Yeah. I believe. We will see. Please. I feel so good having actual goals to hit. And it isn't a schedule yet, but I'm actually organizing my Trello in a way that makes beautiful. 3 packages. It's Christmas, y'all. And I think that's us. That's the Paris one. Yep. Pas avion. Avion. There's, yep. Okay, so let's take it out. There they are. There they are. Beautiful. Le Café Oubli. Yep. Oh, beautiful. All right, adding them to the inventory. Oh, maybe that guy's going to the motel. I love NPCs. NPCs are so funny. Player warp. We're going to Paris, so it's 2. And then we're going over here. Is he late? We took a mighty long time too, like he should definitely... Oop, don't want to go to the airport. I have a feeling it was the guy we just saw walking. And I have a feeling that he set his destination, but because of some type of navigation mesh, something or other, that he might have... Oh, look at what the fuck? Yeah, yep, that's exactly what happened. I bet you right now if I clicked on him, if I found our Paris source, when I click on him and go to his FSM, I bet you it's gonna say infinity in his destination value. Paris signals. Let's see, does it say infinity? En route. Oh wait. It's not letting me go there because it keeps resetting. Are you looking at me? Is that why? Yeah, I think I have to just move out of the way. Okay. En route. Said 0.951. Oh, that's the distance. That's the distance. But find seat should say... Huh, no, it didn't actually do that. I wonder why it put that as his destination. Navigation. Gizmos. Oh. That's funny. If he ended up choosing that seat, he wouldn't have been able to sit there. That might have something to do with it. Okay. Let me investigate him a little bit more. Find a seat, the golden feathers. Okay, he gets his seat, gets his sit hair thing. All right. Set agent destination. 28, right? Sit here. 2881. Let's select the sit here value. Where is that? It is over there. What in the fucking world? No. Wait, what? That is so weird. Why is the sit here? Is the chair over there too? Which chair is it? What? It says the chair is even over there? I don't even see the chair though. Oh no, it's way over here. Oh. Wait, did I click on the wrong dude here? Nah, because that line being drawn is to a dude in Paris. He's trying to go to the Golden Fetters. Did I not change the name? God damn it. These guys always giving me trouble. Paris signals. This is a dude in Paris. Find seat. Oh, it still says the Golden Fetters. Okay, either I didn't change that, or I need to restart Unity really quick. Let's check. Oh, there isn't even anything called Café Oubli. So I need to rename this from Paris Cafe to Café Oubli. Okay. Problems are going to be solved right now. Paris signals. Create package. Okay. And then find seats. I didn't even change it. There we go. Changing it to that. Le Café Oubli. Seats is occupied. Okay, okay. There we go. Tripping. Totally tripping. Oh man, I just want to see that guy sit down at a fucking chair. I feel this is a tiny, tiny little historic moment for me right now. I'm getting like an eensy bit emotional at the idea of seeing an NPC sit down at one of these chairs. Because I modeled that thing a very long time ago, before this game even existed as it current, or like before the idea of this game was even. Why? What crashed here? One error. Array list proxy not found. Seats? Is there no seats on that? I thought I added it. Oh shit, where did it go? Huh. Oh, did it? I deleted it when it was a prefab? I could have swore I added it. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, like I was saying, getting emotional because that cafe has been sitting there, modeled it a long time ago, back when this game was something very different. And it's crazy. It's gonna be... There's just a version of this game that I can only really like... You know, this shit's all just in your head for so long. And then, like, you know, filling in the gaps, too. So much of it is not in your head, you know? So it's like, it almost becomes a new thing. But then every now and then, something happens where it's like, oh yeah, this is kind of what I originally saw. Okay. Taking this out. Got our Cafe Oubli matches. Alright. Adding it to inventory. Flying to Paris. And nice, he's already sitting there. And how well do they line up? Not very well. I wonder why. Anyways, light is match. Okay. Gives me my photo. That guy's in DC again. Pictures taken in the same place. I need to figure out a way to add a little bit more variation to those things. Very far down the line when I have fewer priorities. But for now, that guy's probably waiting for us right there. Yep. Can go through this, right? Yeah. Let's just make sure this all checks out. Spawn item 0. Okay. Pop! Huh. He doesn't care? Sure. Player warp. Seeing a little world you created function and move is an awesome experience. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes, it is. It's a really amazing experience. Okay, now give me that info. Agency room 1, 3153. First room, password is 3153. I'm not going to do those other missions because I'm relatively confident that they work. I just like doing this part because this is... Yay. Win the game. You just did that NPC a favor. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I kind of feel like doing? I saw one of those dudes walking through the park earlier. See, I love that too. It's just like the language you end up using when describing like a simulated world is so funny because you're describing these things and there really is no better way to describe these things from happening than to just say what they are. And it ends up sounding like you're describing reality because these things are functioning on their own. So it's funny to me when I say stuff like, when I hear myself say it out loud and I go like, oh, that guy was walking through the park earlier, I wonder where he was going. You know, like you just kind of set all these things up and then they do their own thing and it's just so funny to me. Okay. He's not in here. I deactivated those doors, by the way. He ain't no rat. Yeah. Alright, nobody in here. See, like, is there ever going to be a point where somebody's playing this game and they're just busting open all the doors?
Like, that's totally a situation you could find yourself in. You could play out however you want. They'll face the consequences of busting through doors. Nobody in here. Nobody in here. Maybe nobody went there. Nobody in there. 2 rooms left. That's weird. I wonder why there's no boys here. It's funny. All the toilets. Oh! He's just kind of standing somewhere funny. There he is. Look, yeah, he's getting mad at me now. Oh. Where is he? What the fuck? Where'd this guy go? Oh, there you go. Yeah, there's some weird navigation shit on here. Picking up the whole phone to make his phone call. All right, I think that's a pretty good place to end it. It's gonna be 8 right now, right? 8 o'clock. This was good. I think I can keep this up. I feel pretty good about keeping this up. It helps a lot knowing what I'm gonna do. I think a lot of my hesitation on the streams before has been like, I don't know. I just show up, I open up Unity, and I go, what's next? And I hate having to do boring shit in front of you guys. So I made a list of things, and I feel good about it. So I feel like I can come back during the day more. Yeah, we'll still shoot for weekend things too. And I think just during the week, they're probably going to just be one round, whereas on the weekends, where I do the 2-round kind of thing. And it also just depends with Hutong work, as I do the official Playmaker stuff. Because I think I really want to start giving that a lot more time too. I think it'd be good for me, like more learning shit. I need to learn things to make those tutorials, you know. So those feed each other. All right, 2 hours and 58 minutes. Nice. Thanks to everybody who swung by today. Really enjoyed your company. Helped me out. And some exciting things I'm chewing on now, thinking about the matchbook stuff. Glad you're here to see the creation of some of those. That felt really good to make. I'm looking forward to. I think maybe tomorrow, I'll just be I'll making another one. I'm dabbing a broken open fire pill and just eating it, so my stool doesn't come out like cream. All right, that's a good place to leave it. Thanks everybody who's here today. Mechalina, Frank Reynolds, Johan Liebert. Who else was here today? Goofy King. Rusty left earlier. Robohemoth was in the chat for a minute. Yeah, thanks everybody. Glad you all swung by. John says, love watching you work. Take it easy, Mang. Thank you, Mang. Catch y'all tomorrow, I guess. Get some good sleep. Get some good rest. Eat a good meal. Good night, y'all. Peace, 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 peace.